Here's the Lamborghini Sion. This is my third time seeing one, which is insane because there's only 63 of them. No way. So good. Here's the Lego Lamborghini Sion. It's the miniature Lamborghini Sion.
My photographer does this.
Those exhaust pipes are huge. Look at all the exposed carbon on there. So much carbon. Check out this Lamborghini Sion here. So this is my third time seeing one. The first one I saw was in Montreal. It was a black exposed carbon one. The second one is the green Lamborghini Sion down there. It's a Lego one, which is number 64 because it was 63 made. And then right here is my third one, which is a bright red one. Behind me there's an STO over here as well, just a gorgeous spec too, and a bird mantis. Check that out. Which one would you pick of these two? Here's a Lamborghini Huracan STO. There's a Lamborghini Sion there. That's the third one I've seen this year. This one's from Montreal, and I saw the first one in Montreal. And I saw the second one, which is down there, and this is the third one. Look at those gold rims on it. Those are stunning with the bird mantis green. This one has the roof scoop, the carbon package, everything. And here's the Lamborghini Sion. This is one of 63, but technically there's 64 because there's a Lego one. This is a nice ride. Finally I can see this car without people at it. Look at those rims. The seats inside, big vents. This was the carbon package. 63 because it's one of 63. This is my stunning car. Oh, I love a Lamborghini Sion. And there's STO in the back. How gorgeous is that sight? And then over here you got a Lego Lamborghini Sion. So they have two cars that they show that are Sions. Bird Mantis STO. One of 63 Lamborghini Sion. Look at these cars.
Lamborghini and the Sion FKP37's design history. They started sketching and determining.
Here's the Lego purchase from the Lego store. It's the Lotus Emira FE.
standard. I would say most of them. Some of them work with us for the starter kits and also supply you batteries. We are you can also try something like this. You can also try functions in the car. So we will have lights, whatever you need, and some nice effects. Because cyan actually means lighting bolt in Italian dialect, we choose to pay an homage to this fact by incorporating this lighting bolt effect on the car as a nice tune-up. And then we also have starting it. Some more interesting facts. There are only 63 of the original car built. This is the 64th, as we call it. And we actually went, as I said, we were working with Lamborghini. We went through this whole process that a new buyer would go through. So this paint scheme was chosen by, together with designers of Lamborghini, and it was actually hand painted on part of the car by their painters as a sign or proof mark that this is the accepted way of doing a model of their car.
Finally, I can get a shot of this with no one in it. Finally, there's a good shot of this. There's no people in the way. Look at that.